Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2020 GMC Sierra. The Sierra is featured in a white paint finish and is the AT4 trim. It includes features such as heated and vented front leather seats, rear heated outboard seats, a backup camera with adaptive guidelines, a powered multi-pro tailgate, GPS navigation, as well as a powered sunroof and side assist steps. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, to the right of our chrome finish door handle, we can see our power locks, as well as our driver's seat memory. Below, we have the controls for our power folding outside mirrors, power windows with one-touch up and down driver and passenger, as well as storage and our Bose speaker in the bottom of the door. Just inside the vehicle, to the left of the steering wheel, we have our tow haul mode button, as well as the controls for our transfer case. Below it, our lighting controls. Down the side of the driver's seat, we have all of our power controls. We can also see our seat here in our jet black finish with brown accent pockets. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we can see our display cluster with a digital information system in the center. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our cruise settings and our heated steering wheel button. Right-hand side, we have all of the controls for our hands-free, as well as the controls to adjust our digital information system. Moving to the middle, we can see our infotainment system. We have AM/FM audio, Sirius XM, GPS navigation, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If we hit navigation, we can see into our map with our current location as well as our keywords. Below on the second page, we have trailering assist. You can also see our backup camera. We have hitch guidelines, adaptive guidelines, as well as our hitch view. Moving below the infotainment system, we can see our dual zone front climate control. We also have our heated front seats for our passenger and driver with a cooled function as well. Push to start ignition on the left-hand side. Across the bottom, we have our parking sensors, auto stop start engine, power tailgate, hazard lights, traction control, control for our 115 volt plugs, as well as our downhill assist, integrated trailer brake controller, a USB-C, USB, 12 volt, and 115 volt plug. Below that, we can see our wireless charging pad, as well as a storage spot, where we can currently see our key. On the top, our power locks, remote start system, as well as our power tailgate and alarm systems. Just behind that, we have two cup holders with storage, center console with our black leather and brown trim with storage on top, deep storage inside, an SD slot, USB-C, USB, and auxiliary input. Moving to the passenger seat, we can see it's also our black leather with our AT4 trim and brown pockets. Then lastly, above our rear view mirror, we have our OnStar settings, rear check reminder button, lighting controls, controls for our tilt sliding sunroof, as well as our third power sliding window, universal garage door opener, and our single pane sunroof. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, moving to our front tire and rim, we can see we have a satin steel alloy rim with a GMC center cap. Moving out, black finished outside mirrors, paint match door handles, as well as a black assist step. Back of the vehicle, we have our corner steps. All the way around at the back, we can see we have dual chrome exhaust tips, our AT4 badging, as well as GMC badging, multi-pro powered tailgate, backup camera on the left-hand side, the top and bottom button for our multi-pro. If we hit the bottom one, we can open the tailgate itself. Inside the bed, we have a 115 volt plug, our in-bed lighting, as well as all of our cable tie-downs in the front and back. Across the sides and the bottom, we have our lined truck bed. Moving to the back of our vehicle, we can see we have a chrome finish door handle, power window control, in the bottom of the door, some storage, as well as our Bose speaker. Inside the vehicle itself, we have storage compartments in the back of the driver and passenger seat. Between the two seats on the center console, we have two cup holders. Below it, we can see our heated outboard rear seats, a USB-C, USB 12-volt plug, as well as our two rear vents. Moving to the seats in the back of the vehicle, we can see they are jet black with our brown accents and a leather finish. In the center seat, we have two foldable cup holders with storage. We have a power sliding third rear window. Then we have our storage pockets in the back of either seat, as well as under seat storage that we can simply access by lifting up on the seats. Then across the floors, all weather mats, and we can see a 60-40 folding split. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2020 GMC Sierra. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.